everybody, welcome to today's video. As you can see, I have a package here, and what does it say on it? It says Fired Up Aquatics. Yay! I'm excited. Let's get this bad boy open. Oh yay, we've got some packing peanuts here. I will save these for James. I'm sure he'd appreciate that. Oh yeah, bubble pack and everything. I got me my own little Fired Up Aquatics sticker. That is awesome. Thank you very much. I love it. Let's see what we've got going on here. Ah, he knew I wanted this so bad. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Not for the plant. Can't thank you for the plant, you know, superstition there. Love it. Got me some Rekia. Love it. Thank you so much, Jason. Let's see what else we got going on here. I hope this is focused. Let me check my focus. There we go. We have some narrow leaf chains and some Blixa japonica in here. Still nice and wet in here. I may have to speed this video up a bit. I know, I am slow at getting things opened. Ah, very nice. My goodness, very nice. Look at that. I do believe this is the Blixa. I'll open this up just to make super sure. Yeah, these are the chains here. And this is the Blixa japonica here. If I'm wrong, let me know. But I do believe that this is the Blixa, and these are the chain swords. Very nice. This is a big bag. I cannot pronounce this name, but there it is. Something gracilis. And there's some sawtooth hydro in here as well. Wow. There's a bunch of plants here. My goodness, what the heck did I order? What'd you send me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bunches of something. Okay, this must be the gracilis, whatever, that I can't pronounce. And this must be the sawtooth hydro in here. Yeah, I do believe that's what this is. I'm sure you guys have seen this on his videos. The leaves look totally different until you can actually get them in the tank and get it growing. Yeah, here's some more sawtooth. Very nice looking plants. These aren't no PetSmart plants. These are awesome. Okay, and there should be one more package here. Ordered compact high grow and some kind of Ludwigia something. Not familiar with the name. I'm not even going to attempt to say it and screw it up. Oh yeah. Very nice. This would be the Ludwigia, whatever, I can't pronounce. Very nice red. Look at that. Very nice. And this should be the compact high grow. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. Oh, love it. Gonna have to get it in the tank later. My daughter's asleep, so I can't go do it now because the tank's actually out in the garage. So, gonna have to roll these bad boys back up and keep them nice and moist until I can get out there. Hopefully that will be within an hour or so. So I just want to give a shout out to Fired Up Aquatics. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you taking the time to sit there and talk with me for so long on the phone. I know I can get to be a bit of a chatterbox at times. I do apologize about that. I get to talking about plants or fish and the time gets away from me. So I'm very sorry to take up so much of your time. I enjoyed talking with you though. So I will put the link to Fired Up Aquatics in the description below. I hope everybody enjoyed the video and get you some plants, guys. Very, very nice. Look at this Blixa. Look at it. Awesome. Very nice. I'm sure I'm gonna need more plants to fill that tank. So this is a start here. This is a pretty good start. Alright guys, have a good one, take it easy, see you later.